Here are 3 reasons why you're not doing enough. So the first reason is it often requires way more action, almost like 10 times more action to get the results you want than what you think. The second reason that you're not doing enough is that you have to become unreasonable in order to perform at that level of massive action. And a lot of people are not performing or acting unreasonably. They're doing what other people are doing, and they're afraid to step out of the way and do their own thing and do what's required. I'm not an exception to that rule. I try to do my best every day. It's something that we all have to work towards. The third reason why you're not doing enough is that you have to be able to like being uncomfortable for a very long period of time. While it sucks, while you're going through this shit period without results until you see the success that you want. And so I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please leave a follow or a subscribe.